Alright,
Oh
Rob.
my
Pass the
God.
camera on the road.
Camera's going around.
Let me know when
This
you
is
guys
good.
done at 12, okay? Pass it on.
11? I was gonna say you were aiming there. I didn't want to bug you. Oh, par four. Plus one? Yeah, he had 3 birdies back to back to back. And then the very next hole, after his third birdie, he fucked it up. That's why he's plus one. That's why he's plus one.
There's the draw. Accounted for 2. Should roll that, right?
We're gonna make it. It's not
Yeah.
OB. It's not OB.
Yeah.
Because it didn't. It would have said OB already. Bro.
Is that considered OB still?
No. That's still good. Where we're going, we don't need brothers.
How's the course there?
Dude, there's this course, Rustic Canyon. So it's rated 4 or 5 in the public course in America.
Oh.
And I kid you not, fuck, I was hitting my drive, I was hitting my approach. The fucking putts. I was like, the greens are
Fast?
fucking crazy. Dude, I just did this. It's like, stop. I was like, and then there's one hole there that, I wanted to fucking kick that whoever fucking put that flag over. It was like 3 tiers, man. I had to putt all the way up.
You gotta like.
Yeah, it was going up like that, and it was at the end. I was like,
What course was this?
Rustic Canyon.
You did it.
I was like, shit, man.
Oh!
So he's not just doing that. He's
How long were you in LA?
2.5 weeks.
2.5 weeks?
Yeah.
Nice.
You wanted it to be 2.5 months.
I wanted it forever, bro. Like,
You have family?
yeah.
This thing called work got in the way.
I got there. And then my cousin, my older cousin, was like, "Oh, here's the van. Use it for while you're here." I was like, "Sure." I was like, "All right." He's like, "Oh, I don't use it. Just if you want a sedan, there's a Civic here too." I was like, "Okay." He's like, "Hello."
Oh, Sam. This fucking hole, man.
Yeah, it's his hole. Oh, you're lucky.
Jeez, man. Yeah, put me in the fucking sand. Please. OB's all around.
Sure, but I like that. Fucking Jason changed his name to James.
Draw!
I took your draw.
You did, bro. What the fuck?
Oh, yeah.
Let me,
Time, we're good for time.
The draw?
Third player.
I think the course burned down there.
Oh, really?
Because I was there 2 days. I played that course 2 days or 3 days before the Palisades. I was there. It was heading to the more
Yeah.
I was just there.
Where does your family live?
Lucky.
Huh?
Where does your family live in LA?
Why? Or
No, where?
Pasadena. Where the
Oh, right there.
Yeah, where the first fire at Eden area.
Yeah.
Altadena.
Yeah, that's where my family is.
Altadena.
I see it.
Oh shoot. Are they okay?
They're okay.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, cause they, my cousins have a place in. Fuck, I forgot where. It's more east.
Oh, okay. Maybe convenient. That's the link side. That's the closest link side that they have.
Oh, wow.
Oh, what the
Yeah, I know. Dude, at first I asked him, I was like, where's the green? Am I on the apron? Am I on the fringe? Where
Look at all those hazards.
Uh,
Look at all those hazards.
You can puck from the fringe, man.
yeah, like their fringe is like the green acted. No, their fringe is like the green and acting. Like, look, see?
That's funny. You're gonna get a lot of roll.
No, it's a fucking stupid green.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
You said let them know when we get to 11, right? We're still on 10.
You see?
Maybe just keep going. That's the one.
Am I?
Fucking rattlesnakes.
Yeah.
It's in the canyon, right? I was like, shit. That's what they said. If you go OB, don't even bother. I was like, alright.
Where'd you shoot?
That's how bad it was. Man.
The hard course.
Like, it's wide open. What the fuck do you have with the fucking green? I was 3 putting, 4 putting. I was like, I never had a car. I never had a 2 putt. There's always 3, 4. I was like, fuck. I was like, you're stupid.
How much?
My first shot, I was like, alright, it's on point. And I went and got this, I was like, approach. I was like, oh, when does it work?
And then the
Once I got to the green, like my first hole, I was gonna birdie. Nope, I ended up triple.
I hate when that happens.
I was like, I can't see the brakes here. What the fuck? And it's fucking me up because it was on the mountain, right? So sometimes I think it's gonna break to my left, but it breaks to the left. I was like, ah.
and fast as well, right?
Nice
It was
putt.
fast.
Yeah.
It was fast, and then I have to keep checking where the mountain is, like, cause they said it's gonna break to you away, break away, break to you, break away, and then you judge the breaking away and then you judge the slope as well.
Why is that though? Because
Because the course is on the mountain, right? So if it has to go like the water and stuff.
makes sense.
So you think it's breaking already, but then sometimes they fuck you up with the green.
How much was the
Paid
round?
800 US, so it came out, I checked my account afterwards, 145. Canadian.
It's worth it. Did she put 30 plus?
No, that's why I said, yo, look for one for like 40 bucks, okay? Fuck. I find it tougher than blind.
Yeah, really.
The
Tougher than the. Oh, yeah.
I found
Mine
it
has
tough.
fucking tough, but.
I was like, but then here's this guy, you know. My cousin's cousin.
It's one.
Like my cousin. So my cousin's cousin, I kid you not, he plays maybe.
Are you kidding me?
You overcooked it. Too much power, dude.
Idiots.
I was like, kid you not. He plays maybe, if he's lucky, once a month. Before the third, he was +3. I was like,
Wow.
I was like, dude. I was like, what the fuck, man? I was like, are you sure you're only playing? Yeah, if I'm lucky, I can play out twice. I was like,
+3 at the turn?
yes.
That's
I was like, and then my other cousin, my other nephew, he's
That's good? Yeah.
my other nephew is about I was like, probably doesn't develop a bad habit because he doesn't
Yeah.
play that much. And I was like, I asked him, like, did you used to play baseball? He's like, yeah. I was like, no wonder you fucking can hit at 330. He was like bombing it, 330.
Your cousin?
My cousin's cousin.
Your cousins?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I was like,
Is he big though?
big boy. And his clubs are old.
Wow.
They're old.
Oh, that should be good.
I tried to fuck it up. I was like, oh, here, you want to try my clubs? He went plus, what was it, 3 over and 1 hole. I was like, I'm not using that anymore. I think he ended up shooting 10 over.
Damn. At that course?
Backwards. I'm 30 over, the other two are 22. Then I told my wife that. I was like, oh yeah. I was telling her that,
Nice.
David's cousin beat us, blah, blah, and he only plays like once a month. Oh, maybe you should play once a month. Maybe I shouldn't have said that.
One more.
Trying to compensate, huh?
Same thing again, or? Okay.
To the right again. One more. 2? Oh, yeah. That was all me there. Obviously. This is where my round goes to shit.
Fine. Can't you just say drop?
I don't know.
This is where my round goes to shit.
I don't know.
It's already a 7th shot.
There's an option. So you just drop.
Can you do 3 minutes? This is so bullshit. Why do I play this game?
Because of that moment.
Go far out,
My
right?
students went to shit. Nice. After one hole. Sorry.
Sure was just chilling. Doesn't care. Like, I just want to
I'm
swing.
just here for fun.
I just want to swing. We're supposed to play 4 rounds.
Yung Toops, nandito naman si Clema.
Mutok nga eh.
Muto pa.
Yeah, man, he's like letting it go everywhere.
Really?
Yeah, sabi ni, narinig din yan ni,
Umutok pa?
yan, narinig ni,
Sarap. Look at this. New guy. Let's go. Camera right here, guys.
Bakit ngayon mo pa nilagay sa par 5?
Hindi, mamaya okay lang yan.
Fairway.
Anong house na ngayon?
Actually, 14.
Pagka 16 na bigay siya.
Second player. Ready.
Was he able to get a shot? Was taken by... Oh.
Yeah.
Nakuha niya?
Everybody.
Oh, he does? My last shot, he got it?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Wala akong Facebook eh. I'll just ask Harvey. Oh, nice hit.
We can watch now.
Yeah. Good poke.
First player. Ready.
Nice, Jeff. Got his bullet.
But I still use it.
Fairway.
Ako ngayon lang, dahil lang kakalaro ko yung laruan ko. Kaya natutunan ako mag-drive.
Third player. Ready.
Oh,
Oy!
easy.
OP ang ito.
Gustong puno, man.
Kung malakas pa siguro, lulusot, no?
Yeah. Di sila nag-3 skating.
Fairway.
Oh,
Third player.
Layo naman. Oh, uy! Tap. Totoo eh, no?
Yeah.
Kick. Nice.
Fairway.
Second game.
Wala ka pang ginagawa sa akin, ha?
what do you have, Jeff? Just a 3-wood and a rescue?
5 wood.
Oh, 5-wood.
And then,
I just picked up my 5-wood actually. Yeah, on the fairway, I use it all the time. Just off the tee.
Finally!
No?
big 3 iron.
Sorry, I blocked this guy. So I didn't know.
That's okay.
Oh.
My bad.
That worked. Oh yeah.
Wow, stinger!
Fairway. First player. Ready.
Oh shit!
Nice, that'll work. Yeah, you're good.
Fairway. Fourth player. Ready.
Oh, that's a good miss. Good shot.
On.
I even dropped the.
Third player. Ready.
Oh, good hit. Go, go.
Nice on. Second player. Ready.
Bini lang, bini. Uh-oh.
Bunker. First player. Ready.
Now then, 2.3 yards.
Second player. Ready.
Hoy, stop!
Oh, nice.
Third player. Ready.
Uy, no! Nandun siya. Stop!
Okay.
Jeff.
First player.
Let's go.
Now, go, please!
Wow.
Ikaw na ano. Dalawa na nga naman.
Nadali na naman ako doon. Shit.
Fourth player.
Diretso ko kaya?
Yun. Tama, bigla na.
Nice.
Ay, short.
Power, power.
Okay, what do we got?
Par 5 ulit. Wow!
Oh, wow.
Par 5 again.
Oh, sunset.
Right, perfect.
Fourth player. Ready.
bit right pare. Isa lang. Okay, thanks. That lang is... Oh my God!
Buti na, nirect mo ng isa.
Diba?
Mabuti, hindi na lang. Kasi,
wala, rough na siya eh. Wala, long way. Oh my gosh.
Second player. Ready.
Thank you. Yeah.
stop.
Best to be to the right side. Yeah.
First player. Ready.
Oh, that should work. Yeah.
Third player. Ready.
Yeah, I just picked this 5-wood up. I love it. 'Cause I'm not wrong, so I took out my 4-iron. Hey.
Player. Ready.
Came out. Oh, jeez.
Rough.
Okay.
Third
That worked out, I guess.
Ready.
Wow. Oh, nice.
Bro.
Nice shot.
Good shot.
Good shot.
First player. Ready.
Lakas ng palo mo ah. Pag naririnig ko yung palo mo talaga. Oh, Kim. Ah.
Rough.
Alright tayo ngayon, Jeff, no? Alright.
First player.
Ayun.
Ready.
Yeah, maganda yung natin. I wanna get the pin next. Pag yung lumabas.
The new one,
Okay, so going back to pin again.
Yan. Oh boy.
Rough. Fourth player. Ready.
Nice. Good shots.
Fairway. Second player. Ready.
Still have 196. Nice. Nice. Beauty. Good. Oh,
Good.
Hindi ko lang nakuha.
Third player. Ready.
I'm
down.
Third player. Ready.
Nice. No work.
Fairway. First player. Ready.
Nice swing.
Fairway. Second player. Ready.
200 yung deal.
It's water in front, I think, right?
Ay, puta!
Goodness.
Yun na lang. Sinadya ko yun, Len.
Drop. The fourth player.
That's good. Wala kayong highlight? Walang highlight? Meron. Meron? Ako, ewan siya. Obi. Kaya pala tahimik dito. Ang ganda ng Sony Jason. Ayun o! Ayun o! Birdie! Kaya pala tahimik rito eh.
Timing yung ano mo ah.
Walang tali ko.
Kahit anong palo ni Jason, hindi na uwi.
Si Kuya Manny naman, kahit anong palo, puro off.
Mag-practice kasi kayo.
Wednesday night.
Ayun o.
Yes,
Ayun.
Ray. That's it. Yeah! Oh, man. Dumaan na sa sabutas, Ray, oh. Parang may tulay, eh. Parang nilagyan ng tulay. Hindi mo alignment?
Okay na yan. Debate.
Hindi, konti lang.
Ano yung araw na dark kung saan papunta?
Hindi, para ma-align mo lang tingin mo. It doesn't matter, I think. Ganun pa rin.
Oh, yan.
Yun!
Yan.
Okay, man.
Ayun, pasok yun.
Nice par? Ayun.
Kaya mauna ko eh. Birdie kayo eh.
Berde, nakadalawa na. Ano bang distance niya? Ay, oh, yun ako, 500!
Anong technique dito, Jay? Ha? Ay, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko mamahalaan ng mabutas eh. Laro na lang. Asipin lang natin acton.
Sigurado yung OB natin dito, Kuya Manny.
Laro na naman to. Yeah. Sino nag-invento nito?
Fight yan.
Yun!
Oo, hindi talaga mo.
Hindi, bunker. May bunker dyan eh. Yun.
Huwag naman.
Si Kuya Gio.
Ito, mga ganito.
Ano na lang ang money, galing dito. Oh!
Yun!
Ang ganda ng tunog, no?
240.
Kasi buo minto eh. Try natin mamaya. Huwag na mapabilit tayo. Compact. Parang nga siyang ano. Split niya yun. Parang woods. Parang yung malaki sa woods. Lupa ni Percy oh.
Hoy, Pen, buhay pa.
Hindi, okay yan.
Bakante.
Ayun!
Buhay pa.
Galing pera. Parang in-adjust mo rin ah. Sa totoong laro man pag nasa road ka, iuurong yun. Okay.
Kung saan ka komportable, harapan mo sa
Okay. Ayun! Nice shot! Hindi na ba siya nagsabi, no?
Ganda ng tunog.
Ang ganda, oh. Ang tunog ng ano ni Ray, parang old school ba?
parang yung pinakano.
Oh, old school yung tunog niya.
Buhay ka ba? Ah!
Paulit, sige.
Ano, adjust na rin?
Just na pala.
Adjust na rin! Kulang pa!
Ano ba yan, Ter?
Adjust pa ulit.
Ikaw pa rin, Ter?
Sige, kaya. Par 5 pa naman to, oh.
Yan!
Yan.
Sakto na. Ano?
Dalawang
Huwag ka mag-OB, baby.
OB rin. Na-OB rin.
Na-OB din sa wakas. Ano ba yan? First time
Kaya pa ko, Jay. Isa pa.
Ko ba?
Isa pa, oo. First time naka-OB kayo doon, Kolji, ah.
Oo nga eh. OB na yata ako, dalawa na yata. Ano ba yan? Favorite na lang. Delikado pala yun.
Yun, ganun dapat yun kanina eh.
Bobo eh. Hindi, ko na gamitin. Tago ko na to.
Ganun dapat kanina eh.
Yun nga, ganun ang resulta, no?
May hybrid ako, ayaw gamitin hybrid. Yun oh! Yun oh! Ganda! 200 yung kuya! Ha? Oh.
Yun ang pinagawa sa... Yun, dapat kung nakikita ang target.
Nice shot, man. Galing, oh. Sumabit. Hindi. Uy.
Ganun, no?
Galing.
Walang patapos na mga dapat.
Yun ba, maapat pa, no? Inaano mo kasi, pe? OB.
Forward mo yun.
Hindi na OB, pe. Hindi na OB. Okay ka.
Forward mo yung bola.
Oo, para ano, no?
Oh, forward yung bola.
Ay, forward yung bola. Pero huwag mong baguhin yung distance mo.
Okay.
Set up mo, forward mo lang yung bola.
Hindi na ako tumira. Binigyan niya akong 6 ayon.
Sinusubukan ko, ako na lang umaatras eh. Ganun pa rin talaga eh. Nice. Ayun, no?
Oo, tala na naman ito.
Wala naman, pag ginaganon. Ay, naku, ang hirap ng goal. Uy! Okay kaya tari, okay tari. Okay ka rin.
Niliwas sa akin ang gusto yun talaga ito si Ray. Kahit anong gawin mo, hindi ba OB?
Ikaw man,
Bumabagsak sa OB.
ikaw man, ikaw man.
Kaya.
Ikaw man, pero oo, kahit pogi, ubi pa rin.
Sa fairway, OB pa rin. Bumagsak sa fairway, OB.
Oh, nice shot. Sobra. Ay, nako, Obi. Ano ba yan? Sinabi mo. Hala. Ikaw pa rin man.
Oh. Sinabi nyo kasi.
Ano ba yun? Oo, lakas kasi, no? Ibigay mo yung mga power sa amin, man, para hindi ka ma-OB.
Paano ba pumalo ng walang power?
Yan. Short naman.
Wala ang power.
Yan yung nga, no? Control, no?
$59 na lang, na-OB pa.
Yun, per. Huy! Bukutid na kaahon. Gumulong pa, oh. Pababa siya. Ay, ako, mahirap pala itong buta. Delikado ako dito. Nice shot, man. Ayaw pa rin! Sorry.
Walang shot na eksakto ko yan, oh.
Talagang ayaw.
Ayaw talaga.
Kahit anong gawin. Lampas o kulang eh. Walang eksakto.
Nice shot, Ray. Ay, nako!
Ayun, pababa pa, pababa pa.
Baba siya.
Oo, pababa.
Nauna ka. Mataas talaga. Ano to?
Ganun din.
Pero tingnan mo naman doon, parang mababalance siya.
Naku.
Hindi ako tumingin doon. Sit.
Yun,
Move!
Nasa tuktok pala to, nasa tuktok. Nasa tuktok sila.
Naya tayo dito.
Nasa tuktok yung...
Tuktok plus ano na height niya?
Nasa tuktok yung...
Lumayo pa siya. Delikado to.
Uy, sit! Sit!
Mababaw na yan!
Bumaba pa nga.
Kulay yan! 9 feet pa. Kaya rin naman. Yun.
Yun.
Ito. Dumami ka agad yung score na. Isang butas lang, no? Dali ka.
Nice shot, Pel. Ligo!
O, balik-uling pala saan?
Par chance at play.
Kanina, birdie chance pala yun. Napalayo pa.
Walang... Isa lumiko, no? Oh. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yung sa akin? Yung dagdag ng dalawa yun.
Tatlo. Triple eh. Oh, plus 4 kay kanini. Sayang, no?
Ang bilis, no? Isang butas nga lang, mali ka. Tapos ligayang araw mo. Yun! Ay, nakaman.
Kumusta naman si Kumbay? Si Christian.
Okay na, Pel?
Okay na?
Okay na yung bibig niya. Ano na, yung... Heal na.
Oo.
Teka, wawal mo siya, Pel.
Kaya nung ginagawa sa...
Bahay?
Oh,
Wala.
nagkukumpa. Online gaming. Hindi man nag-online
Hindi
gaming.
online siya siya lang. Ang minsan nag-online. Ayaw niya kasi mumura na yung mga bata doon. Alam mo naman si Christian, yung bata.
Ikaw na lang siya mag... tawag dito, yung mga trading card games. At least na sa account siya. Punta sila mga card store, ganyan.
Diba?
Naglalaro sila ng mga...
Yoy!
Ganda!
Nako! Nice shot!
Close up po yan!
Yun! Ganda yun. Ganda! Sunod na yun rin
Close up!
Oh, sakto doon sa mga...
Sakto dun sa mga professional.
Ito, 4-5 minutes. 4-5 yung kanina.
Oo. Wah! Ba't to? Gitnang-gitna, walang close up.
Ito ah. Lapit na, Gaya. Tatlo na lang, magtuto-20 na.
Ha? Ano naman yun? Hindi carry yun man. Hindi carry. Pababa kasi yun man eh. Kaya hindi flat eh. Wapo na yun. Lakas.
Mas malayo.
Layo talaga yun.
Ako, hindi nakita yung...
Kasi swing speed ni Manny, 100 plus TV. Kasi maaabot talaga yun. Ako, 80 lang. Hanggang 200 lang. Okay na. Sa tuwing. Buhay yan, Per. Buhay, Per.
Buhay pa yan.
Hindi tumawag eh. Uy!
Babagsak pa yun.
Nanonood kasi si Christ eh. Oh, nandito pala si Christ.
Ako, sumasakit na likod ko.
Relax na, Per. Relax, Per. Easy swing. Easy swing.
Tuturo ka na na Kuya Jay. Easy swing.
Per, ito. Ganun mo. Yung kaliwa. Kaliwa mong kamay. Ano mo. Yan. Huwag yan. Yan. Neutral masyado ka.
Love is close now.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Kulang pa rin, no? Okay.
Ulat na.
Sige, ikaw pa rin. Kaya mo ba yan?
Per, ito, ganyan.
Patingin nga.
Sige pa. Sige pa. Yung kaliwa, sige pa. Ayan. Tapos,
Yan.
Buka mo lang.
Para may ano ka.
tapos ilalim yung isa. Ayan.
Naka-power grip siya eh. Power grip. Sige.
Ngayon! Sakto na, oh. Sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Dumidiretso masyado. So, pag ganyan, usip mo.
Yan mo yan.
Para mag-clear to.
Galing nitong coach nito.
Yung ikot ko, alam mo yung...
Ay,
Huwag mo lang baguhin kung ganun ang talagang shot mo. Ha? Baguhin mo lang yung stance mo na. Para mag-clear way lang yung...
Par 5 pa naman to. Oh. Ito pa mo all out.
Alat na.
Kuya Jay, ako naturuan eh.
Tignan mo naman.
Ay, lalo lagi eh.
Ha?
Yan siya na tuturo sa amin.
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi. Pinipiro ko lang.
Bago na naman play ito.
Bago yun. Ito, tutuwa ko yung bintang sa tuwa natin.
Oh.
Diretso.
Saan ka pa?
Ganda ng baby draw mo ah.
70. Ayaw ko gamitin yung ano ko kasi hindi ko matamaan eh.
Ito po, 176 pa rin plus. Mamahalan yan. Bitawan na. Oh, sige, bitawan na. Sa 100 na lang. 20 lang yan, Chris eh. Yan.
Nangyari dito, Tops.
Wala na. Nanood ka kasi, Jong. Pabintang nga natin si Jong, pero bahala na.
Alam niyo yung gawin ko kasi, pag galing score nyo, you're allowed to change your name to Maximus. Ngayon, my name is Nia. I'm Jason Maximus. Pagkatapos si Percy, my name is Nia. Galing Jason ah.
Eh, na-OB nga ako eh.
Turuan niya kami ni Jason eh.
Ha?
Naturuan kami ni Jason.
Par 5 pala to. Low pa rin. Pero okay pa rin, no? Oo, sit. Ah.
Ha? Nangyari mo yun? Kanina? Alvin? Kaya tinatago ko eh. Dapat nakatago na rin.
Layo ko pala na siya.
Layo mo eh. Kaya lang, hati-hati ko na lang kasi hindi ko matamaan yung woods ko. Tamang, hindi ko matamaan.
Yeah.
Nakaigon yun ako. Hindi naman sa doon. Painit pa yun. Hoy! Oh, boy. Nakakatakot si Manny sa lakas kasi. Uy, natatakot ka. Uy, wag.
Sobrang lakas.
Ako naninirvyos. Sa lakas kasi.
Grabe, nice game. Yung
Hindi
likod mo.
kasi siya strong, dapat mag-strong grip ka per. Yung lip mo per dito pero, ganyan mo talaga.
Nakaganon yung paa mo, diba?
Ikaw rin.
Yung isang pag dito, nakaganon. Ito,
Hindi mo i-move eh.
Ikaw rin. Ikaw rin.
so make sure na parehong ano.
Bantay siya pero
Ako hindi ako mukha normal.
Open mo siya konti. So mas open lang to, pero mas open.
Yung strong, ito normal.
normal yung ganyan.
Kasi pag itong gagamitin ko, yung neutral. Pag yung ion, strong.
Okay lang.
Pag drive it,
Strong.
ay strong din.
Hindi, doon pumupunta doon.
Ay, hindi pa.
Nice shot, Ray. Uy, may tubig pala doon. Lang ka. May tubig pala doon.
Huli na nung nakakita.
Di ko mapaabot ko man.
Pero tayo lang.
176.
Di ba, ano mo nga man, magliyap na lang ako man. Ano ba yung nandyan?
Ikaw na.
Ano yung before the tubig? Before the tubig yan?
Kaso masyadong maliit. Maliit yung ano eh.
150. Kaya niya ito. Kanina, 160 tira mo eh.
Yung 176 lang eh.
To the green.
Saan ba? Oh, front lang.
Ayan.
Oh,
Hindi
yan.
ba tubig yan?
Wala. Walang tubig.
Wala sa yung tubig.
Gamitin mo uli yan.
Wag.
Yun na!
Tayo dyan.
Yun na gamitin mo.
Baka ko pa.
Pumasok yan.
Mahuli naman ko pa. Ano ko pa. Witness ko pa.
Yan, magsho-short tuloy yan.
Hindi ko pa abutin.
Placing pala, placing. Wow, he's playing the course.
Ganun yung ginawa niya nung Wednesday.
Uy!
May tubig nga.
Uy, buti na lang lumampas.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
Kaya pinapagamit ko isa eh.
Dapat nag-5 na lang pala ako nun. Nag-green pa yun.
Kung hina-hybrid mo yan, pasok sana.
Sana nakinig ako kay coach. Ba't lumampas yun? Mali pala yun. Nice shot, man.
Nice green.
Takot ako 176 kasi Chris eh.
No. Kasi nasa ano ka naman eh.
Ha?
At least makokontrol mo, hindi mo naman lalakasan yun eh.
Bobo, no? Malayo pa pala siya sa tabi dito kahit po ba hindi maabot, doon lang siya sa kanto, no?
At least kung ano pa, kasi pataas din yung green yun.
Mali pala yung ano ko. Mali pala yung... Nice shot, Ray.
Yung man, si Kuya Jay, nagka-course management ah.
Pasok eh! Pasok! Yeah!
Oh, nice! Kuya Manny, course management na ngayon to ah.
Walang yan tubig. Siya nga nagtuturo sa amin, oh. Ito, pababa to. Kailangan ganito gamitin nyo.
Course management na si Kuya Jay.
Yan ang turo niyo eh. Kayo nagtuturo sa akin, oh.
Hindi ka natuturuan. Guwapo oh. Oo, kinapos lang. Spin eh. Ayan. Kumagat agad eh.
Ako yun, sa course yun, makikita ko, backspin.
Kumagat
Nag-spin?
Yan, kumagat agad yung balon. Kaya diba pag ganyan?
Okay ba yan?
Pagka up slope ayoko. Pagka yung pataas,
Oo.
ayoko. Kaya pagka ganun, maglilino ko ng konti dito.
Hindi ko naman alam yun eh. Basta beba ako.
Nakapardin. Nakapardin.
Okay, alay naman. Yan, 500 yung bibit ko. Siyempre.
Medyo inchi ka talaga.
300.
Tubig ko. Plus 8 na.
Mas nagustuhan mo to kaysa doon sa dati mo.
Parang. Pero parang nahihirapan rin ako ngayon.
Right.
Iwan ko, nag-iba siguro yung stance ko. I guess. Nice shot, man.
Malit kasi.
May mga highlight ba kayo, Jason? Yung sorry, highlight ba? Marami ba highlight?
Wala, pangit.
Sorry.
Pumangit ako, nag-OOB-OB. Nanood kasi si Chris.
OB plus,
ba ako?
plus 8 lang eh. Ang siya lang kung ano na kayo? 16?
Ano kayo dyan?
Oh, 15 pa lang yan.
Go, 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 go!
Kalimutan nyo na yung lahat. Ito yung ano, ito yung importante. Ito yung totoo kasi nasa video na. Di ba? Ay, pusog tayo ng video. Alvin, walang pantayin lang na. Ito yung totoo na. This one matters now. Kasi highlights to, di ba Dong?
Highlights, highlights.
Highlights to.
Huwag yung tingnan yung score.
Oh, dapat takpan natin ito.
Uy!
Pangit yung green. Nakita yung location ng green? Nasa taas siya eh. Nasa taas siya na ako.
First player.
But... By 0.9?
Yan, nice. Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa.
Come on!
Ay, sorry.
Useless. Bagal ng green. Ganda yan.
Yes, sir.
Want to buy a driver?
Sure. How much?
What the fuck happened?
Oh, really? Fuck, what happened, dude?
Holy shit.
What's
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. See, it was because I was behind him.
Oh, remember we saying like Q35, here you go?
Yeah.
I didn't know that it happens on
I hit behind, right? So I hit the ground and
Is that warranty?
I bought it last year.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Maybe. Fuck, that's new, man.
Yeah, but weird. Di ba problema din yung ano, yung stem?
Yeah.
Kaya malakas naman kasi ito mga sinahawan.
That's steady. Eh, paano yung mga pool?
Kasi baka midnight shift yung gumawa nyo.
Uy na.
Fuck this, I'm going home.
Yeah.
Nice, Vince.
Nagiinit na si Kuya Vince.
Mahal-mahal na ganun-ganun.
That's like brand yung binili na last year.
Sobra yun.
What's up, Vince?
Yun! Uy, left
Oh,
hand.
shit. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Nope. Stay. Dom.
Brand yung lang yun. Naglolokong ko man din kami.
Sobrang pero pwede niyang ano yan, baka defective yung ano.
I know, baka
Never
defective.
know.
Kung niyaya ko silang Wednesday. Oh, I'm working double shift. Oh,
Should be 1 year, no?
Trying to get the Q35? Nope, sabi sa akin ko man din. Stay, Dom. Stay, Dom. Sounded good, Dom. Stay. Nice, Dom.
Nice.
Solid yun, Dom, ah.
Solid ba?
Ah, Dom. Yun.
So,
Okay.
Watch your video, bro, pag anong padala. Para alam mo yung ano mo. Ah, straight lang, bro. You got this. Nice!
say,
Oh, ginaya mo si Vince, ha? Ginawa. Jason, nakita mo yung club ni Rowan?
Kami club ni Rowan?
Nakita mo?
Sira.
Bibilisan na mamaya, hindi na lang.
Di ba ganun yung sa'yo? Troops? Ganun yung sa'yo? Yung 10 eye?
The same one.
You got the same one.
Maybe I should start using it.
Mmm. Oh shit.
yeah. Natatay ako. Salamat ha.
Thank you, Dukes.
Ako pa. Paki, ano nga yung aim?
Right.
Right, bro?
Right. Isa pa? Isa pa lang. Ah.
Oh, shit.
Stop.
Dito, Dom. Asan bola mo?
Yan, left. Hindi ba yan? Ano sa likod ng ano? This, here.
Not even a real bro.
It's like $800, no? Wala pa ano? I wanted to. Should.
Nice, bro.
Yun.
Ganda.
Blazing.
Mas gusto ko pag isisin doon. I like it, bro.
Wala eh. Shit, okay. Isang dosen, dalawang dosen na.
Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Oh, no.
No. Vince. Ah, si Jung, sorry, si Jung. Jeff, hello bottom 3 ako.
Tight yung mga back line, no? Wow!
Sino pumili nito? Ikaw, Jeff?
Jake here? No. No, he's not here.
Message na lang natin.
Jake! Jake, kasalanan mo daw, Jake.
Nice.
That's the one, Vince. Hindi pala eh.
Effortless. Yamo, Brian, bottom 5, bottom 3.
Hindi, kuya, damihan niyo pa para hindi ako bottom. What you got, Brad? Ooh!
Ah, shit.
Don't hold.
Yun. Go.
Pinapalayak ako.
May water yata sa front end.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the reason.
206 pala siya, kumakain na siya.
Oo, malayo nga.
Sabi na.
Carry mo is 170. Ano?
Okay, ang sa
Layup lang.
Adam? Wood na yan? 200 daw, Dom. 200. 200 yeah, wood.
Yeah, 2-1.
Saan yan? Palit kong kornel, Dom? Dun sa ano, gusto kong palagay natin kaya rito. About here. Doon. Hindi siyang 180 euro. Just to be safe. Ah, baka mapuruan mo ito, ha? 100 yan. Anong palagay mo? It's up to you, bro. It's your call.
180 target.
180 target, Dom.
180 na rin yung
Target.
out of 90 pagka matamaan.
Pag araw bounce siya, 200 yun. 200 yung araw bounce lang.
7.
Baka nang mag-shortcut pre, ha? Yung big yung ano, pag mawapit. It's up to you, Dom. Oh, shoot.
Full out na yan.
Oh shit. Malas yata itong camera to eh.
Oh, no way.
After this one, patayin ko na yung cameras. Laro na yan.
Dump.
Go, Dom. At least may highlight na si Dom kanina. Okay na yun. Get up.
Nice. It's good. Stay.
First player.
It's okay, man. Go, go, go. You good?
Eh, syempre ko 140 na. What's mo 150 pa yan? Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike. Hindi to, hill, no? So, ano pa ang tingin mo sa drive mo, bro?
Sige na, sige
You're
na.
supposed to, I'm not trying to be like that. No, I'm supposed to hit it up. Ang tingin ko ang pababa. And you know that.
Hindi sinasabi ni diba? Kailangan mo practice yung right.
Nagpababa ka, bro.
Baba, no?
Oo. Sinabi rin ni Manny, no? I don't wanna mislead you or something. Yung daming ano ko lang yun.
No, no, I get it. Kailangan mo practice yung right.
Stay! Ganda na sa ano.
Ang lakas.
Yun yung mahirap lang siya yun eh.
Hindi, tsaka ang hirap dito, you don't know eh. Kasi pag nasa rough ka talaga, iba, ano?
Hindi, tama lang. Oh, sumobra pa.
Ano lang.
Kasi 56.
Kasi yan ang ano eh, yan ang mahirap pagdating na doon sa around the green. Hindi mo na matansya eh, no?
Feel na kasi yun.
Yeah. Kasi usually pag around the green ka na, it's all feel.
Galing.
Let's go!
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Malas tong camera to. Wala tayong ano. Master. Oh my God. Magpaalam na tayo. Bye. Say bye, Vince.
See you. Thank you.